Welcome guys in this new lecture series of AI native databases, which are also popularly known as vector databases. They are mostly used in Gen AI and agentic AI. So let's start with our first question, that what is AI native database? What does native means here? How it is used? These are few things that we are going to cover in this topic. So let me copy paste a few theory part here and I'll read it for you. So traditional databases like SQL, MySQL, NoSQL, they are like a massive old school filing cabinet. They are good for storing folders, data, and if you have to find something, you have to match that thing exactly. That is traditional database. Whereas in AI native database, it is like actually understanding what's inside the folder. It does not look for labels, it reads the content. Let's see a diagrammatic difference between the two. Let me run this cell here. Okay, so through diagram you can see traditional databases, they are like old school filing cabinet. Folders are structured, everything is labeled. The searching method has to be exact keyword matching. Whereas in AI native database, it matches by meaning. It searches, it understands, but it doesn't look just for labels. It reads the content and organizes it based on meaning. That is the difference, main difference between traditional database and AI native database. Through AI native database, they actually use something called vectors. So what are vectors? Simply, in a plain simple language, if I write, let me write it, vectors. So it converts actually words, images. It can have word, it can have image, it can have sound, and it converts, vectors actually convert word, images, sounds into a list of numbers. These numbers are nothing but coordinates on a giant multi-dimensional map. These are vectors. Don't worry if you're not getting it right now. In the next lecture, we will code it and see how actually vectors work. And that will give you a very good difference between what is AI native database and how it is different from traditional database. Okay, so if by native, what does the word native means? Native means that database is built from the ground up, specifically to handle complex mathematical maps or vectors. That's it for this lecture, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.